egg in a hole, toad in a hole, egg in a basket, or as my family calls it, Tanta Libby. This is a dish with more than 60 names, and it is a family favorite, and I'm going to show you how to make it and lighten it up a little bit. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that like button, hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. My name is Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor, but that's not why I'm here today. I'm here today as the cooking doc, where I can show you how to make healthy recipes, simple and delicious. We're gonna lighten up an egg in a basket. Remember, everything we talk about today is just informational purposes only. Though I am a doctor, I'm talking about cooking today. And let's make this amazing dish. Now, the first way we're gonna lighten up this dish is we're gonna use a healthy piece of bread. This is Dave's bread, and this is the thin white Dave's bread. It's called white bread, but it's really a whole grain bread. It has fiber, has only 110 calories per piece of bread. So really, this is a healthy slice of bread. The only downside to Dave's bread is that it sometimes costs between $6 and $7 a loaf, which is a huge downside. There are probably other breads out there that have a lot of the same nutritional information. Dave's is just my favorite and the one that I've found works best for dishes like this. So we are going to take our bread and we're going to cut a little circle. Now, I do this free form with a knife. If you have a like cookie cutter thing, you can use that. You can make this in the shape of a heart or get as fancy as you want. I'm going old school with a knife and a circle. Next, we're going to let our non-stick pan get warmed up over medium heat. And once it's warm, I'm going to put a little bit of butter in there. Actually, what I'm using is Earth Balance, a non-dairy butter. If you want to make this extra healthy, you can use cooking spray instead of butter or non-dairy butter. But I think my mom might disown me, so we're going to stick with some non-dairy butter here. Okay, step one. You put this bread and the little cutout in the pan. So we're going to let this brown before the egg goes in. This cooks for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so it starts to get just a little bit brown on one side. We'll flip them both. Next, we're going to crack the egg. I only get one shot. Hard surface, flat surface. A+. Egg cracked right in the hole. Well, so much for celebrating that perfect crack. Looks like we got a leak in the egg yolk. Don't worry. That's not going to change the final product, and it's still going to look beautiful. We're going to add just a little bit of pepper. Now, as that side is starting to get brown, we're going to go ahead and flip it. Along the way, if you want to make it taste extra good, put just a little more butter in the pan. Now again, you can leave out the butter and just use cooking spray if you want to make it extra healthy. So now we just let this cook until that egg gets to the perfect doneness. Whether or not you like it runny or not runny will determine how long you have to cook it. It's usually between 2 and 4 minutes. All right, that looks just about perfectly cooked. Take off our little best piece, pop it on our plate. Beautiful. Now we can make this even healthier by putting delicious things on the side of it. Blueberries. And a little green salad. Some sliced spinach, some heirloom tomatoes, and just a little bit of lemon juice. So we've taken a dish that typically is bread, butter, and eggs, and we've made it healthier. How so? We used a healthy bread. We didn't use that much butter. And we put things on the side of it that are good for you, like greens, tomatoes, a little bit of blueberry, a little bit of lemon, a fantastic breakfast, a family favorite, a Tanta Libby. That's what we call it. Egg in a hole, egg in a basket, a million names for it. No matter what name you put on it, it tastes amazing. Now that is a can't miss dish. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, click that bell, share this video, make this for your loved one Saturday morning, and I will see you next time.